more and more cyber attacks have an impact in the real world. And I'm not talking about the consequences that you might not be able to shop for your holiday presents online anymore. No, I'm talking about halting companies. We see critical infrastructure and manufacturing companies getting disrupted through ransomware attacks again and again. This time, it hit Vestas Wind Systems in Denmark, the world's leading wind turbine maker, with over 29,000 employees, 15 billion euros in revenue, and turbines installed in 85 countries. After a cyber attack, they had to shut down most of their IT systems across multiple business locations. Luckily so far, it did not affect the operations of already installed wind turbines or any third-party systems. The attack started on Friday, November 19th, which is typical for ransomware attacks. The company confirmed that the attackers also stole some internal data before disrupting the other systems. But they did not confirm which malware group was actually behind the attack. So far, no ransomware group has claimed them on their leak websites, but discussions are probably still ongoing. The company's stock price unfortunately dropped by 7% after the attack, but this could also be related to the general supply chain issues in that specific industry, which already led to a significant drop earlier this month. Business interruptions of any kind can be very disruptive and therefore expensive. Acronis Cyber Protect can help you prevent such events from even happening through its ransomware protection, as well as minimizing any business interruptions through the disaster recovery functionality.